Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add headings in Google Docs. So I am just going to write topic, subject, information, so on and so forth. So I want to create a heading for this one. Select it, go to styles and select heading, apply heading 1. And on the second one, just select apply heading 2. On the third one, apply heading 3. And you can add more, for instance, text here. And you are going to select heading 4. And as you can see, you've just added headings in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!